Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an EBT card to the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for Target groceries using your EBT card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Payments and then click on Add Payment Card. So here you can select a different payment card type such as credit or debit, EBT, or FSA. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your EBT card to the Target app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.